AI is being talked about everywhere. And this is the perfect time for you to learn AI because the more you keep postponing it, thinking that you will learn AI tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, or next month, it will become more difficult for you to learn AI. And if you are thinking how to learn AI from the very beginning, that you do not have any technology background, then let me tell you one thing. Whether you are a complete beginner or you are from any other profession, whether you are a doctor, farmer, nurse, student, it does not matter at all what you do. After watching this AI course, your understanding of AI will become much better, and you will be able to understand AI easily. You will also be able to integrate AI tools in your work. Now, even schools have started teaching AI subject to children, and like math, science, English. Learning AI has also become equally important. And if you don't know what AI is at all, don't worry. In this video, we will tell you what is AI, how does AI work. And apart from this, we have also started teaching you many AI tools. And definitely after watching this video, you will learn to use AI tools yourself. So now, the next few minutes are going to be very important for you, because today I am going to teach you AI in a very easy way. So quickly keep a pen and copy with you so that you can note down all the important things together. And also quickly like this video and take a deep breath. And we start the journey of AI. Now, you know the full form of AI, there is artificial intelligence. But what is the definition of AI? If someone has to explain what AI is, so what should I tell him? What is the definition of AI? So first, let me tell you the definition in English. Then I will explain it to you in easy language. First, let us see its definition. AI is a system that studies a lot of information, finds patterns in it, and then uses those patterns to make predictions and produce outputs. So this is the definition of an AI. But what is the meaning of this definition? I will tell you that now. AI is a system that takes in and reads a lot of information. Then it finds patterns from that. As mentioned in the definition, AI is a system that studies a lot of information and finds patterns in it. That is, AI is a system that reads a lot of information first. Then he finds patterns from it. Now, what does it mean to find patterns? Finding a pattern means which word will come after which word. How do we humans make sentences? Which word is used after which, so it looks for patterns or how something typically happens. What is the process of something? So it looks for patterns, and when this AI understands those patterns, then it uses those patterns and gives us answers. Meaning, what should be the next word? That means AI is about finding patterns in the data. And let me give you an example of finding patterns. Now, look at this image. What should be inside it at the end? You guess. If you also thought that there should be a boy at the end, then you thought absolutely right. There should be a boy here because a pattern has formed in your mind that first there is a girl, then a boy, then a girl, then a boy, then a girl, and at last there will be a boy. So AI also understands such patterns. Like if I ask you a question, once upon a dash, then what will happen here? It must have come to your mind also. It will be here. Once upon a time, it must have come to your mind because this information is in your mind. This pattern is formed in your mind. So you predicted the next word. You guessed that, yes, brother, it will be next word time. So AI is also a next word predictor. But on a very massive level, he has a lot of influence on a very massive level. It finds patterns from that to see what the next word will be. What will be the next decision? And this is how this AI gives us outputs. So let me explain the meaning of AI in simple language. AI is a system that understands a lot of information when it comes to it. It finds patterns from it, and then gives us answers according to those patterns. Our work does it. That's all it means. Now you know the definition of AI. But do you know that you are already using AI a lot in your life, and you are not even aware that you are using AI? Like I will tell you with an example. You have to go somewhere and you use Google Maps. And Google Maps tells you its fastest location. You should take this route. This will help you reach there quickly, then AI is being used there. You are chatting with a friend on the keyboard, typing, and it auto-corrects you. Whether you have written this wrong or its next word would be this, then this is being used there, and you use Instagram, YouTube, and there also you must have seen that on your own Instagram or YouTube. Different types of videos are being shown to you, and on your parents' Instagram, YouTube. Different types of videos are being shown. If you watch Netflix, then there too the content is recommended to you according to your taste. So AI is being used in all this. You don't need to be afraid of AI at all, that AI is a huge robot. It will come here to Earth. It will take away our jobs. You should not think like this. Our jobs are not in danger because AI will not take away our jobs. People who are learning AI today can replace us. They can take away our jobs because they know AI and we don't. But you don't have to worry. You also have to learn the same. After watching this course, all your basics will become very clear as to what this is, how does it work. These tools will also teach you. And the most interesting thing is that we will keep all these lessons very short so that it will be easy for you to watch and understand. So subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you keep getting these lessons daily and you keep learning AI well. Now, before moving ahead in this course, let me tell you some important things. First of all, AI also makes mistakes, so it would be completely wrong to rely on AI. Yes, brother, whatever AI said is absolutely correct. It is not like that at all. Number 2, you should not misuse AI at all. AI is a huge power, and to use this power, you will have to be more responsible, because AI is not right or wrong. It just depends on what our intention is. How are we using it? Our intention to use AI should be right. So you learned what AI is and how it works. Well, I have explained everything to you very well and very easily, but if despite this you are having any doubt in anything, then I would request you to please go through this video once again, or if you have made notes in copy, pencil, then read those notes again so that your understanding of this AI course becomes better. Because if you understand the base well, then you will understand the upcoming lessons better. And if you haven't liked this video yet, please like it, and we will meet again with the next lesson. Till then, be happy. Keep understanding AI.